like to put it at the back of my hand, and then I like to apply here. We don't want saggy. We want everything to go out. I smile a lot. I have a lot of expression, so I always like to take like a bit more and massage this place. Or if you have lines here, you can massage here. Every time I finish, I massage my face and everything. What's left? Yeah, on my neck, all the way to your neck. Just give it a bit more love here.
3 days to younger looking skin. Wrinkles and fine lines are visibly reduced. The best to fight the first sign of aging is when you use 24K Gold Water and Caviar Cream. Together, it helps us to achieve firms and restore skin. Support skin renewal. This will help us to brighten uneven skin tones. With powerful antioxidant defense, it helps us to reduce fine lines and wrinkles. It's the science and technology behind this jar of luxury.
I like to put it at the back of my hand, and then I like to apply here. We don't want saggy.